English Listening Podcasts. Maybe it is late. Maybe it is 2 a.m. Your body is tired, but your mind is loud. Thoughts come fast. One thought becomes 10 thoughts, and suddenly you feel awake. This is mind noise. First, I want to tell you something important. You are not broken. 2 a.m. overthinking is common. At night, the world is quiet, so your brain becomes loud. Also, when you are tired, your brain is worse at solving problems, so you think more and solve less. So tonight, we will do one simple goal. We will not win against your thoughts. We will lower the volume. Here is the first rule. Do not solve your life at 2 a.m. Your brain will try to do big work at the wrong time. It will say, let's fix everything. Let's think about the past. Let's plan the future. Let's worry. But 2 a.m. is not for life decisions. So we use a sentence. Say this slowly. This is not a problem-solving time. I will handle this tomorrow. Again, this is not a problem-solving time. I will handle this tomorrow. Now, let's use Tool 1. Tool 1 is a 2-minute brain dump. Your brain is holding many tabs open, like a browser. We will close the tabs by writing them down. If you can, take your phone notes or a paper and write only short lines, no long story. Write 3 lines. Line 1, what is on my mind? Line 2, what can I do tomorrow? Line 3, one small next step. Example, what is on my mind? Money, message I sent, work task, family. What can I do tomorrow? Check bank, send 1 reply, do 1 task, 1 small next step. Tomorrow, 10 a.m., 15 minutes, 1 action. That is all. You are not solving, you are parking the thoughts. Your brain sees it and relaxes. Now, Tool 2. Tool 2 is labeling. Most people fight thoughts. They say, stop, but the brain gets stronger. Instead, we label. Labeling means give the thought a name. For example, this is a worry thought. This is a planning thought. This is a memory thought. This is a fear story. When you label it, you create distance. You are not the thought. You are the person watching the thought. So when a thought comes, say, planning thought, and let it pass. Worry thought, and let it pass. You do not need to push it away. You just name it. Now, Tool 3. Tool 3 is body first. Because at 2 a.m., your mind is not the real enemy. Your nervous system is. So, we tell the body, you are safe. Do this breathing with me. Breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. 1, 2. Breathe out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. In, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2. Out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now a quick body scan. Relax your forehead. Relax your jaw. Drop your shoulders. Relax your hands. Relax your stomach. Relax your legs. Your job is not to sleep. Your job is to rest. If sleep comes, good. If not, rest is still healing. Now I will give you a simple night script, a short thing to say to yourself. Say, "My mind is loud, but I am safe. These thoughts can wait. I will handle it tomorrow. Right now, I rest." Again. My mind is loud, but I am safe. These thoughts can wait. I will handle it tomorrow. Right now, I rest. Now, shadowing practice. Repeat after me. It is only a thought. I do not need to answer it. I park it for tomorrow. My body is safe. I rest now. Good. Tonight, do just one thing. If you wake up at 2 a.m., do the 3 steps. 1. Say the rule. This is not a problem-solving time. 2. Write a 2-minute brain dump. 3. Label thoughts and breathe out longer. And tomorrow, in daylight, handle the real problem, not at 2 a.m. If this helped you, save this episode. Listen again tonight.